Hey guys! Today I'm making bunny-themed miniatures. This is part of a larger series of animal-themed miniature crafts. I really do appreciate your guys' suggestions, so please keep them coming. And if you guys like this video, I'd really appreciate if you click the like button. And of course, if you make this craft or any of these animal-themed miniatures, or for that matter, any craft at all, please tag me on Instagram. I'd absolutely love to see it. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. The soap dispenser is just 2 wooden beads glued together. I add paper for detail, thin craft foam for ears, and just cutting a tiny pom-pom to make it tinier for the tail. And a Q-tip and more craft foam for the spout. I color paper for the eyes, and more paper for the mouth. I print the printable for the tablet and notebooks, glue it to cardstock, add tape, and for the notebooks, paper folded accordion style. For the water bottles, I cut a glue stick. I glue 2 pieces of craft foam to make the lid, and more thin craft foam for the handle. For the lunch pail, I glue 2 pieces of craft foam together. And more thin craft foam cutouts for detail. And adding some food from my other lunch pail video. Next up is the journal. Just scoring some craft foam to make it easier to fold. Bend wire. Glue in place, which I set down on parchment paper so it won't stick. And for the lock, a carrot glued to a paper clip. I make a purse out of felt. Flip it inside out. more thin craft foam cutouts for detail. For the slippers, I'm using foam board. I peel off the paper on both sides, carefully cut my foam board. Then I can shape it using a nail file. I glue a strap of thin craft foam and add my details. And to make a super easy stuffed animal, I use one of the animals from those bro kits and some puff paint, as well as a cotton ball, paper, and craft foam for detail. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!